What's up, YouTube? Back, Carlos and Kicks here. Got another one. This will be a short one. That last vid was a little long. Sorry about that. I won't talk as much this time. Got another box. Let me show you guys. So another box came in. You can probably guess what it is from the box. We have a Jordan 5, and it reads Grape Ice New Emerald Black. I'm sure you guys know what it is, but that's not it. Where's that? Boom, there it is. Man, these are crazy, bro. I haven't even. Let's do this together, right? Wow. Okay. First of all, oh hell no! Are you kidding me? I feel like no. Okay, let me show you guys something here, because this is the worst. Man, this shoe looks all right. This one, I feel like somebody spit on it. Like, we got a little, like, what the hell is that? Okay, well, that fixed it. And then we have like this beat up side. Like right there, man. It's like, come on. You know? Dang. But clearly you could tell the Alternate Grape 5, which I love. It's hard. That color is just not right in the camera. It's way more purple than that blue that it looks like there. And I've seen that on a lot of videos. These cameras are just not picking up what it looks like in real life for some reason. And I don't really have even the best camera, I would say, as you can tell from the quality here. But again, we have the Nike Air Jordan Alternate Grape 5. Now, the original Grape 5 came out in 1990, which is one of my favorites. A lot of people prefer that one over all of them. We had a black grape in 2013, something they called a pre-grape, I think it was, in 2015. And the most recent kind of colorway of these, which I liked a lot also. I mean, the original Grape 5 from 1990 was still my personal favorite, but a couple years ago in 2018, they had the Fresh Prince colorway, which was the laceless colorway. It looked like the original Grape 5, just laceless. And it had that like elastic on the tongue to hold it down. I saw that Unbreakable Kicks punched holes in his and put laces on him, which is pretty cool. But the Fresh Prince ones are dope. I like those. I like those. It was something different, but not so different that, you know, it's gonna piss off a lot of the old Jordan heads. These are cool. I like these. I don't know really what the hell I'm gonna wear them with. I guess maybe that's fine. I wear a lot of black anyways, but yeah, these are cool. I like the little hits of turquoise on the tongue, on the midsole, and on the lace lock, as you can see there. The icy blue bottom is also a big favorite of mine with the Jordan logo underneath. Yeah, I like that icy blue bottom. This plastic caging is pretty cool. It's on the tongue as well, but that's on most Jordan 5s. Hopefully I'll be able to get you guys a little better of a look at the color. Maybe what I'll do is I'll compare it to the Court Purples. Let me grab those. So yeah, hopefully I can get you guys a better look at what the color looks like with this camera. Right there it looks like almost bluish purple. In hand it's way more purple. If you want to see a comparison of, so there's the Court Purple, and then there's kind of the comparison of the colors. Now the Court Purple is way more purple. This is definitely a little more bluish purple, if that's the description. But I like it. They're definitely a loud shoe, but they're not crazy off the wall, because that's like a darker purple. And I mean, both of these are Sacramento Kings game approved once we open back up to rock the hell out of them at a game. But yeah, I'm excited for these. I like these a lot. Not really much else to say on them. You know, I wish I had the original from 1990 to show you guys or compare them to that way. I'll of course throw some pics up so you can see what the original one, and then every different iteration of those going along. These retailed for $190. They came out on July 8th. It got pushed back, so it was supposed to come out, of course, in June, and then I think it was July 7th it was going to come out. Then it got pushed back a day to July 8th, if I remember correctly. Some foot sites still dropped them on the 7th, but for the most part, everything got pushed back to the 8th. Just one day on the sneakers app got pushed back a day. For some reason, as soon as everything got switched over to the Flex app thing with all the sneaker apps, I cannot hit at all. Before I used to, I feel like I'd randomly hit at Finish Line or a Foot Locker, and I have enough malls around me that, you know, I can enter all 3 stores. It only lets you select 3 within a certain area, and then you can add, at that point, you can add your bonus to it. You can add your extra time to it. You had to either go in and check in at the store to get a code, which gave you an extra minute, I think, and then depending on your tier class with the foot apps, you get an extra 2 minutes. By using the app, I think it was like 6 minutes. I don't know. You can get a total of 9 or 10 minutes if you do all these different steps. But I mean, honestly, I just went on Twitter. Twitter had all those codes at different times because the foot apps or stores used to change their code. So by zip code, you could just check your zip, the code for that time, and you're good to go. So I'd get that extra minute or 2 right there just by going on Twitter for each store. So yeah, that's cheating, I guess, but it worked for me, man. With these Flex apps, even when I get the bonus times or use whatever my bonus points, whatever it's called, and I max out because, you know, if I spend enough, it's shared across all the foot apps, and you get those extra bonuses through there. I still don't hit, and I have it on the Royal Toes, the Court Purples, these, the last Jordan 1 light smoke gray ones. That came out, I did not hit on in store, and our stores were still open. I could have easily picked them up and did a little pickup video for you and showed them in hand that day, but I just can't hit. I don't know, they just hate me. And I'm using all my points to get there, but I was able to get them online. I think I got them through Foot Locker by just spamming that add to cart, which has worked recently. It did not work on the last Jordan 1 release, so I think, especially with everything closed now, it's going to be a lot harder to get stuff online on release day or release time. I mean, it's already pretty hard, and I feel like it's going to get harder because there was still the possibility of people going in the store to get their shoes, and now that's all done, at least in California. So we got a lot of people and a lot of bots going in for them online, and with that time drop, they know exactly when it's going to happen. They could set everything for that and just hit on all of them. But yeah, I mean, my only piece of advice, if you're trying to get another shoe through one of the foot sites, is just keep spamming that add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. I think, you know, release time was 7 a.m. Pacific. I honestly think I didn't hit on these until like 9:30. Just trying it again. I wasn't sitting there the whole 2.5 hours. I, you know, check again later, because it still showed sizes available on the sites, and I finally hit add to cart, I think 4 times in a row at like 9 something a.m. It went to the cart, so I checked out, and boom, here they are. So keep trying, even if it's like 7:10 a.m. you missed out on sneakers, you're still trying, you know, and you can't get through on the foot sites. Just keep trying. I mean, that's all that we can really do here now, because it's gonna get harder. But if you want them, keep going for them. Don't give up. You know, if it's 7:30, 8 a.m., 9 a.m., if you still see those sizes there, just smash that add to cart and smash that like and smash that subscribe. Hope you guys like this. This is going to be a little bit of a shorter vid because you've seen these a bunch. Nothing too crazy or new to report on. We got word that some of the Grateful Dead dunks are going to be city exclusive, so the orange ones are going to be the closest ones here for me. Those are going to be released only in San Francisco. I think FTC in San Francisco, I think, is the only one that's going to carry them, and they're going to do a raffle for those. Their raffle should be up tomorrow, and I think it's only going to be for 24 hours. So depending on when I put this vid up, it's either over with or it's happening now. I'll try to get this vid up on Wednesday, which is like, I don't know, July 15th, something like that. I'll try to get it up as soon as possible because it's a short one. But yeah, so look for those if you're into dunks, which, I mean, I feel like everyone is now, which is kind of annoying, but it's cool that they're bringing back what dunks used to be. A lot of crazy colors, a lot of crazy inspiration for them. I love all of the colorways of the Grateful Dead ones that we've seen so far, but orange is perfect for San Francisco, and they're going to be hard as hell to get. All of them will be, just like every dunk that's come out this year or the last 2 years. But try that. Look for raffles for all the other colors. See if there's any ones in your local city. You know, follow your local skate shops. Support local if you can. But that's all I got for you guys today. Again, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.